I don't think people understand how crucial this is. Today, I'm diving deep into the 5 biggest mistakes you might be making on your journey to preparedness. Trust me, avoiding these pitfalls can make a world of difference when it really counts. First up, relying too heavily on gear rather than skills. Now I get it, having the latest gadgets and tools can boost your confidence. But remember, gear can fail, break, or be forgotten. Picture this, you're out in the wilderness, your fancy water filter breaks, and you're stuck. Knowing how to improvise with what's around you, like using charcoal and sand to filter water, is far more valuable. Skills are your true survival currency. Next, focusing only on worst-case scenarios. It's easy to get caught up in prepping for the apocalypse, but let's face it, everyday emergencies like power outages, car breakdowns, or minor injuries are far more common. Have you ever been stuck without power for days? It's those little, frequent events that can catch you off guard if you're not prepared. So, stock up on essentials for daily inconveniences too. Thirdly, neglecting physical fitness. I can't stress this enough. Being prepared isn't just about having supplies, it's about being able to use them. Imagine you've got a bug-out bag packed to the brim, but you're out of shape. How far do you think you'll get if you need to hike to safety? Good health and fitness can be crucial in survival situations. Start with small steps like daily walks or basic strength training. Your future self will thank you. Fourth, ignoring the importance of mental preparedness. Staying calm and thinking clearly in a crisis can make all the difference. It's not just about having a plan, it's about being able to execute it under pressure. Practicing mindfulness and stress management techniques can help you keep your cool when things get tough. Try simple breathing exercises or meditation. Remember, a clear mind can be your best tool in a crisis. And finally, not involving family or friends in your plans. Survival is a team effort. Imagine being the only one who knows the plan during an emergency. It's a recipe for chaos. Make sure your loved ones know the plans and have the skills to contribute. Hold regular family drills or discussions about what to do in different scenarios. This not only prepares them, but also builds a supportive network that can make all the difference. So there you have it, the 5 biggest mistakes to avoid as a prepper. Are you guilty of any of these? It's okay, we're all learning. The key is to recognize these pitfalls and take action now. Let's get prepared together, step by step, day by day. Remember, preparedness is a journey, not a destination. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and most importantly, stay prepared. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe, everyone.